Ever stared at a mountain of receipts, feeling overwhelmed by the thought of manually categorizing every single one? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Expensify and answering the burning question, does Expensify categorize expenses for you? Let's be real, expense reports can be a real drag. You're juggling receipts, fighting with your accounting software, and desperately trying to meet deadlines. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a magical tool that could automate some of this chaos? Enter Expensify. This powerful platform promises to streamline expense management, but does it actually live up to the hype? Specifically, can it automatically categorize your expenses? Well, my friends, the answer is a resounding maybe. Expensify boasts intelligent automation features, and it does a decent job of recognizing common expenses like meals, travel, and entertainment. It uses optical character recognition, OCR, to extract data from receipts, which is a huge time saver. However, the level of automation can vary. For example, simple receipts with clear line items are usually a breeze for Expensify to categorize. But things get trickier with handwritten receipts, receipts with multiple items, or those with ambiguous descriptions. In these cases, you might need to manually adjust the categories. Don't worry though, Expensify makes manual categorization relatively painless. You can easily edit categories, add custom categories, and even create rules to automate categorization for specific vendors or expense types. One of the coolest things about Expensify is its machine learning capabilities. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. It learns your spending habits and refines its categorization suggestions over time. So, while it might not be perfect out of the box, it continuously improves with each expense report you submit. Now, let's talk about integration. Expensify seamlessly integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This means your categorized expenses can be automatically exported to your accounting system, saving you even more time and effort. Expensify also offers a user-friendly mobile app, making it easy to capture expenses on the go. Simply snap a photo of your receipt, and the app will do the rest. You can even track mileage and log business kilometers directly within the app. So, does Expensify categorize expenses? Yes, it does, but the level of automation can vary depending on the complexity of your receipts. However, its user-friendly interface, powerful automation features, and seamless integrations make it a valuable tool for any business, big or small. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expensing.